We are done with Module 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now let's proceed with Module 5, Controlled Practice with Games. Communicative activities focus on exchanging information. True. The communicative language teaching approach aims to link language to context. Which of the following characterizes communicative language teaching? People learn a language through communicating in it. Which of the following is a communicative activity? Information gap fill example as split crossword. What type of error has been made in the following sentence? I know her since I was at school. Grammar. Incorrect tense. The student has used the present tense instead of the present perfect to talk about something that started in the past and still continues today.